Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the second session from the maths. So already we have learned the divisibility test of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Today we are going to learn the divisibility test of number 6. So in the number 6, the first rule is the multiple of 6 are always divisible by 6. Correct? The multiples are what here? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and 6 fours are 24. What next term? The rule number 2. Some numbers, those are divisible by 3. They are divisible by 6. Look in front once again. The multiples of 6 are divisible by 6. This is a common number. Means already we have a number like a 3. So the number which are divisible by 3, automatically those numbers are divisible by 6. Only the particular numbers like 6 on the 6, 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12, 3 fours are 12, 6 threes are 18, 3 6 are 18, 6 fours are 24, 3 eights are 24. Like this. These type of numbers, these are divisible by 3 as well as divisible by 6. For example, if you take 15, 21, these two numbers are divisible by 3 but not divisible by what? 6. Only these two rules are there. First one, the number which is divisible by 6 means the number should be multiple of 6. Second one, some numbers, not all the numbers, some numbers like 6, 12, 18 and 24. These are the multiple of 6 as well as these are divisible by what? 3. So these type of numbers are divisible by what? 6. These two are the conditions of divisibility test of 6. So shall we go for the one more number? That is, so I will rub this. Divisibility test of 7. Divisibility test of 7. Here also there is no conditions, only the multiple of 7 only. The multiple of 7 only divisible by 7 means test of the 7, there is no particular rule. There is no particular rule like number 2, number 3 and number 4. Here there is no particular rule. How will you take the rule? The multiple of 7 only divisible by 7. For example, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, etc. etc. These type of numbers are divisible by what? 7. Okay. Shall we go for question number 8? It's divisibility test of 8. Yes. Next one. Divisibility test of 8. So, what are the divisible rule of 8? First one. Multiple of 8. Multiples of 8 like example number 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 16, 8 ones are 24, etc. etc. These are divisible by what? 8. Next one. Some numbers which are divisible by 2 and 4. Some numbers only the sense those numbers are divisible by 8, those numbers are divisible by 4, 2 and 4. The same number also, some numbers which are divisible by 2 and 4, those numbers divisible by what? 7. So by taking the examples, I will clear you. Look here. So 2 is there. 2 is not divisible by 8. 4 not divisible by what? 8. 6 not divisible by 8. But 8 is what? Divisible by 8. Means more than 8. Only the numbers are divisible by what? 8. Those numbers should be multiple of 8 or the even numbers. Like 10 is not divisible, but 16 is divisible by what? 8. These two are the rules of divisibility test of 8. Understood? Okay. Next one. Divisibility test of 9. Divisibility test of 9. There was the same number. What is that? The multiples of 9. The multiples of 9. Example. Yes. 9 is a 9. 9 is a 18. 9 is a 27. Etc. Etc. Here also. One more is there. What is the second rule? So what rule we have applied for the 3? What rule we have applied for the 3? The same rule also we can apply here. What is that? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits should be. So normally we use divisibility test of 3. Digits na add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು addition ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು multiple of 3 ಬರಬೇಕು but here sum of the digits should be ಏನು ಮಾಡಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 9 so that number should be multiple of 9 understanding ಏನು ನಾವು divisibility test of 3 use ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ the same rules the same steps we apply in test number 9 so ಏನಿತ್ತು sum of the digits should be the multiple of 3 but here sum of the digits should be multiple of 9 example for example what will take 18 so automatically you can say the 18 is the divisible by 9 so according to the rule 1 plus 8 is equal to what 9 in the table number 9 ones are 9 is there so second number also we can take what is that 1 not 8. We can take one more data. 1 plus 0 plus 8. What is this? 1 plus 0, 0. 0 plus, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 8 is what? 9. Means 9 is what? Multiple of 9. So this is also divisible by what? 9. So we take one more. 1, 2, 2, 7. Okay? 1 plus 2. Plus 2 plus 7. Look here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. So in table number 9, 12 is not there. So this number is what? Not divisible by 9. Understood the multiple of 9s and sum of the digits should be the multiples of 9. Sum of the digits like this. 108, 18, 108, 12, 27. We can take one more number. Like 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 plus 3, 9. So this number also divisible by what? 9. But not sure because of 9 ones are 9. Remaining how much? 3 will become 33. It will become so in table number 9, 3 is not there. So it is not divisible by what? It is not divisible by 9. But addition is equal to the 9. But in table number 9, last digit 3 is not there. Okay, let's check. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, totally 9. So let's begin the division. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3 divided by 9. 9 is a 9. 9 is a 9. Remaining how much? 3. 9. Okay, this is divisible by 9 3s are 27. Extra 9 9s are 9 7s are 63. This number is also divisible by 9. Understanding? The addition of all the numbers should be the multiple of 9. Okay. Shall we go for the divisibility test of 10? Next one is divisibility test of 10. Okay. Now tell me, what is the first rule? The first rule is the multiples of 10. So multiples of 10 always divisible by 10. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40, dash dash dash, 100, dash dash dash. Second rule, the unit digit should be should be 0. In case the unit digit, if it is 0, that number is completely divisible by what? 10. For example, 100. What is the unit place? 0. So it is divisible by what? 10. Next, 1000. What is the unit digit? 0. Automatically divisible by 10. Next, 10,000. What is the unit digit? 0. It is divisible by 10. For example, 1, 2, 5. This is not divisible by 10 because what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 5. So it is not divisible. In case 0. Now this is divisible by what? 10. This is the basic rules of divisibility test of what? 10. Okay. Next I will go to the divisibility test of 11. Is it clear, students? Okay. First one, divisibility of 11. So one of the most important number in the divisibility test. First one, what is that? The multiples of 11 is the common formula. So multiples of 11 means what? Example, 11 is 11, 11 is 22, 11 is 33, 11 is 44, etc. Clear? Second, one formula is there. What is that formula? If we add, if the sum of even digits and odd digits should be 0 or multiple of 11. So once again I will clear you. The sum of the even digits and odd digits should be 0 or multiple of 11. So for example, I will take one number. What is that number? 121. So one more is there? Okay. Let us discuss 121. How to add this? 1, 2, 3 is there. First we should write like this. 1 minus 2 plus 1. So you should take the sign in multiple. Different sign. The first digit always plus, second number minus, and third number plus. Later on, 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2. What is this? 0. But this type of number is completely divisible by what? 11. So take one more number. 1, 2, 2, 1. Look here. 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to take the alternate sign. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sum of even digits ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 and 4, all digits 1 and 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? we'll take the multiple sign. The first is always plus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. The first is always plus, second minus, third plus, and fourth one is minus. Now add the numbers. 1 plus 2 minus 2 minus 1. Understanding? Okay. Later on, 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is what? 3. whole cell 0. These numbers are divisible by 11. We'll take one more number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is example number 1, example number 2. Now the example number 3. Okay, how to take that? First, 1 minus 2. What we should write next? Plus 3 minus 4. 1 minus 2 plus 3 and minus 4. Later on, 1 plus 3 minus 2 and minus 4. 1 plus 3 is what? 4. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. The answer is minus 2, not divisible by 11. So, next one. The number should be palindrome. The number should be palindrome. Palindrome is nothing but if you read the number first to the last or last to the first, the pronunciation should be same. Correct? Look here. 1221. 1221. These type of numbers are called palindromes. This is not a palindrome. These type of numbers are called palindrome numbers. So this is the one of the best divisibility test in the number system. Clear? Okay. So we will discuss some numbers. How to discuss? Look here. So we will make the groups and we will discuss the number which is divisible by the given number or not. First one. The set number 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, this is the condition. 2, 4, 8. The number which is divisible by, the condition is what? The number which is divisible by 8. That number is divisible by 4. Again, the number is divisible by. Understand? Here the bigger number is what? 8 is there. ಏನಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ 8 ಇಂದ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಎದರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದ 4 ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ದಿಂದ. But will not take the reverse process. But only is what? 8 to the 4 and 4 to the 2. In case ಏನಾದರೂ 2 ಇಂದ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗೋದಿದ್ರೆ the number should be more than 8. Next condition. Condition number 2, 3, 6, 9. Otherwise, leave 6, only 3 and 9. First one is what will come? 9 will come. Next, 3 will come. The number which is divisible by 9, that is automatically divisible by what? 3. The number which is divisible by 3, sometimes it is not divisible by 9. Understanding? The number which is divisible by 9, that 100% divisible by what? 3. But the number which is divisible by 3, it is not 100% divisible by 9. For example, 6. 3 2s are 6, but 6 is not divisible by 9. Understanding? Okay, condition number 3. 5, 10. The number which is divisible by 10, that 100% divisible by what? 5. The number which is divisible by 10, that is 100% divisible by 5. But some number which is divisible by 5, that is not 100% divisible by 10. For example, 15. 15 means 5 is a 15, but in table number 10, 15 is not there. Understanding? Okay. So already we have discussed 1 to 11 numbers and their divisibility rules, conditions as well as test. If you have doubts regarding the divisibility test, in the first session I have given my number. Once again I will give my number. Please note down 911 352 4490. So you can call me during 5 to 7 and clear your doubts. Understanding? So this is the divisibility test based on playing with numbers. Already I have solved 1.1 and 1.2. The next session I will solve 1.3. Thank you dear children. Have a nice day.